Product design is at the heart of a startup. The development of an idea into a successful product takes time, effort, and skill. The product defines how a startup is going to grow, scale, and stand out in the market. According to the recent study, 9 out of 10 startups fail in the first 5 years, and about 90% of success for any startup is defined by its product. Having a well-designed product offers startups various advantages such as attracting investors, easier manufacturing, market penetration, customer satisfaction, better advertising, and more. Hello, I'm Harish, working as a product design and development officer at Addere Creations. I tell you how important product design and development are for startups. India has emerged as the third largest ecosystem for startups globally, with over 77,000 recognized startups across 656 districts of the country. The Indian government has created various plans and schemes to encourage startups. An investment of around rupees 100 crores has been set aside, which aims to provide funds and mentorship for startups. We can boldly say that our country is going through a startup revolution. We have all heard about amazing ideas that were transferred from startups in garages to a large successful business. How do you think the startups were formed and grew into the enormous profit-making organizations that they are today? It all lies in the steps that the successful startups have followed to come up with an excellent product that has helped them through their journey for years. The first step of a startup that defines its purpose is the ideation phase. To provide the best product, ideas must be gathered, prioritized, and implemented effectively. Harnessing the best minds in the startup to come up with innovative ideas play an important role. These ideas are evaluated with the help of mentors or experts who can give out accurate possibilities for the product. When an idea sounds feasible or doable, it is then evaluated with the proof of concept. POC is the way to understand the proposed idea and its potential viability. POCs describe the idea of the product in detail, list the proposed functionality, mention its general design or features, and also research how achievable they are. With the POCs, startups can pinpoint potential risks and obstacles that may arise while implementing a particular product idea. It also helps in determining the chances for scalability of the product. With a good result from the POC, startups can move into the product design and development phase, where they can create the product. Product design and development can simply be put as the process of taking a concept of the product and working on it until a finished product is created. In product designing, designers use various skills and tools to formulate the idea into a product that can be visualized and evaluated. This process begins with concept sketching, where the product concept is put on a paper or screen as visual, keeping in mind the boundaries of the product defined in the POC. The product is sketched out to understand how it would look. With the different iterations and views of the concept sketch, designers then create preliminary CAD designs of the product. Preliminary CAD designs are 3D visualization of the product, while the concept sketch is in 2D. These CAD designs give a complete 3D view, giving a better idea of how the product is going to be, defining its size, shape, and look. With satisfactory preliminary CAD designs, designers use the planned shape, size, and look of the product to create mechanical CAD designs. These 3D designs are detailed and define the complete data of the product, including but not limited to its mechanisms, fit, function, and assembly. Creating mechanical CAD designs is considered the final step of product design. However, there are few tweaks and changes to be made in the design for better and easier manufacturability. This step is named manufacturing design and is the actual final step before manufacturing. The product is then manufactured in unit quantities as prototypes using 3D printing. These prototypes are evaluated multiple times to finalize the design iteration. Later, the product is manufactured in batch quantities using soft tooling methods to launch it to a test group and then evaluated again to freeze the design. With this finalized design, the product is then mass produced in bulk quantities, which is the final stage of manufacturing. This completes the entire product design and development stage for a startup and then gives them the go ahead for future steps like market launch, advertising, and other similar commercialization activities. Now I am sure you have understood the entire exhaustive process of how a startup creates a product. Predominantly, the importance of product design and development stage for a startup. The reason why startups fail to create a workable product is usually the inability to completely carry out the mentioned step in their actual sense. For example, startups having a good POC fail to come up with an innovative concept sketch because of sticking to limited iterations, or startups having a good product design fail to manufacture the product in bulk due to missing out key points in the design that would have reduced manufacturing cost and lead time. Also, the steps discussed here in this video are just not when it comes to product design and development. There are further steps like the design for serviceability of the product, design of accessories for the product, following brand ideas while designing a product, designing the next versions of the product, and much more. All of these factors are important and must be to make sure the product is successful in the market. This is where we at Addere Creations step in. Working with numerous startups over the years, our team is skilled and equipped with helping a startup to create the dream product that works. Whether a startup is just planning to create a new product or getting ready to manufacture at full scale, we can work with them anywhere in their product development cycle to help improve the product while decreasing cost and production time. We work with startups on everything from existing CAD design to even basic rough sketches or verbal idea discussion to create simple but significant product designs. Our experienced team of engineers will understand what stage of the product development process a startup is in and ensure that they receive the best solution in creating the best product by following the right steps with the combination of right skills. Product design is essential for the success of all products. Any product that is successful in the market likely owes its success to a successful product design. We wish that startups in India could improve their chances of success with a better product and are working towards the same. Do subscribe to Addere Creations YouTube channel for videos on 3D printing, 3D scanning, 3D designing and more. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming content. Thank you.